How to add PayPal gateway system to WordPress. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you're looking to enable PayPal payment gateways in WordPress, it's really something that you should be on the lookout for because PayPal is such a trusted and such a reliable platform to accept payments. However, it can be really difficult to enable PayPal in WordPress, especially when you realize there's no native way to add PayPal into WordPress. So, for most people, when they are looking to add PayPal to WordPress, it's usually with WooCommerce. So, we're going to add WooCommerce first. And I'm going to show you guys a alternative way in which you could add PayPal. However, PayPal still is not going to be a native integration, so you might have to purchase a couple of applications to enable it. And this really depends on the application you use, the availability in your region, and many other factors. So if you natively activate WooCommerce and you set WooCommerce up, we can just click on skip over here. We're just going to add our industry. And once we do that, we are going to click on continue. Once we do that, we're just going to click on continue and all our features are going to be set up. And after that, you will notice that directly in your WooCommerce settings, you have a couple of payment methods like direct bank transfers that are available. You also have manual payment methods like wire transfers as well as direct cash deliveries that are available on WooCommerce. Now, to add PayPal, we're going to be using another third-party plugin. There are several available. So you really can use whichever one you prefer. You can see on the left if you click on settings and then you click on products and then payments. And in your payments, you have direct bank transfer, check payments, and then cash on delivery. So you can set these up. And once you do that, after that, we are going to go into plugins, click on add new plugin over here, and then just going to search for PayPal. Now, once you search for PayPal, it's going to show up PayPal for WooCommerce. Now, there is one application directly created by WooCommerce as well. And you will see it has really awful ratings because it does not work very well. So that is one major issue that people have with PayPal. So for that, some other third-party plugins are recommended, such as the Web Toffee application, as well as the PayPal payment integration provided by PayPal payment plugins. So over here, you can just click on install and you can pick out the one that you like best. We're just going to install the top two plugins. And once we click on install, we can click on activate. And once we click on activate, you will see on the left. So you will see on the left under WooCommerce, we will have the PayPal by payment plugins. So over here, we can get started with setting up our account. Now, to set up and accept payments, we're going to have to link our PayPal account to this. So we're going to click on settings over here. And once we click on settings, you guys will see you have a bunch of different sections where you're going to fill out information. You have your PayPal settings and you're just going to click on those. And once you click on PayPal settings, you're going to enable PayPal. You're going to add a description, your transaction type. So the transaction type is really important to note because your transaction type means whether you're giving out money or you're receiving money. So for us, we want to receive money. And if you want to receive money, you're going to select capture as your option. Then you have your billing agreement description. You can just make it billing information or billing transaction instead because billing agreement is not going to sound really nice. After that, you have the PayPal payment sections and you're going to leave these two as they are. You can also add this on Express Checkout and the PayPal page and the mini cart as well. After that, you have your PayPal method format. If you just wanted to say PayPal or the PayPal ID. So I am going to go with the second one. And then you have the checkout page button placement. So if you want to have the place order button or in the payment gateway section, and I'm going to place it in the payment gateway. Then after that, you can set up your button color, shape, height. And then after that, you have window options as well. Click on Save Changes over here. And once you click on Save Changes, you will see that it's time to actually set up your PayPal. So you're going to set up PayPal in your PayPal by payment plugins. So from here, you can see you have your main page, then you have settings and documentation and support as well. Now in your API settings, you can simply go on ahead and click on click to connect over here. And while you do that, this is just going to open up a new tab. And in your new tab, it is just going to ask you to log on to your PayPal account. And once you do that, your PayPal account will be connected. It is really that easy to connect to PayPal with WooCommerce. Now, alternatively, if you are using the other plugin, so the other plugin is we have our secondary plugin. Yeah, this is the PayPal Gateway plugin for PayPal WooCommerce. You can click on Activate as well. And it's a really simple setup. Again, you're just going to activate this plugin. Once it has been activated, you're going to go into Settings. And once you do that, it will show you if you want to enable the PayPal Gateway at Express Checkout or as a smart button. Then you have some prerequisites. So you have to log into your PayPal business account. You have to go to activity or your account settings and get API access, and then just enter your PayPal credentials over here. Once you complete your PayPal credentials, that's all you have to do to connect to PayPal on this particular application. Now, the one that I find to be easier to set up is definitely the PayPal Smart Button one. This one is a bit more techy to set up, but it's still a great application that you can use to connect to PayPal. Now, with that, I would always say that if you're looking to build a site that is meant for shopping, for purchases, a better option than WordPress would definitely be Shopify. Shopify is optimized for purchasing products, for selling products with high converting, high lead templates available that can help you in gathering the right audience. So I do think that if you're scaling your store up instead of having to add multiple integrations onto WordPress, Shopify would definitely be a safer and more stable option. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.